Nicolò Cesabianchi is a professor of computer science at the University of Milan, Italy. His main research interests are the design and analysis of machine learning algorithms. Nicolò is co-author of the monographs Prediction, Learning and Games and Regret Analysis of Stochastic and Non-Stochastic Multi-Bandit Problems. He served as president of the Association for Computational Learning and co-chaired the program committees of NeurIPS and COLT. He is the recipient of a Google Research Award, a Xerox Foundation Award, a Criteo Faculty Award, and a Google Focus Award. He is a HELLIS Fellow and co-director of the HELLIS program on interactive learning and interventional representations. Welcome, Nicolò. Thank you for being here. You are an HELLIS Fellow. What is HELLIS?
HELLIS is the European Laboratory for Learning and Intelligent Systems. It is a European grassroots initiative in AI focused on scientific excellence, innovation, and societal impact. HELLIS builds upon machine learning, which is the driving force of modern artificial intelligence. Virtually all of the dramatic recent progress and impact of artificial intelligence in today's world is fueled by machine learning. HELLIS looks at a new generation of talented young students who will help us advance the field using deep learning, reinforcement learning, causal inference, and other machine learning technologies.
Which activities does HELLIS conduct?
HELLIS is based on a three-pillar strategy with the goal of maintaining and fostering European technological dominance in artificial intelligence. These three pillars will help us invest in existing talent, foster new talent, and build a network of outstanding European ecosystems for innovation. The first pillar is built around 13 fellow programs dedicated to topics ranging from basic research in theory and algorithms to application in health and climate sciences and human-centric elements of AI. Within these programs, thematic workshops, schools, and other scientific and educational events are organized. The second pillar attracts and connects the best PhD students in Europe through the HELLIS PhD program. The PhD program offers plenty of options for young talents looking to conduct cutting-edge research in machine learning and related areas. Candidates rely on the fellow network to choose whom they like to work with. PhD and postdocs are based at their supervisor institution, but also spend at least 6 months on exchange at a different location in the network. To engage the local ecosystems, the program is also encouraging internships at European companies and startups. The first call of the program had more than 800 students who applied from all over the world. The third pillar consists in a network of HELLIS sites located at leading existing European institutions or created from scratch. Rather than just building a virtual network among institutions, HELLIS aims at creating new working environments for outstanding researchers to enable them to combine cutting-edge research with the creation of startups and industrial impact. As a stepping stone towards this goal, HELLIS started establishing smaller HELLIS units based on a call for proposals carefully reviewed by an international selection committee. These units bring together the best AI researchers and fulfill a set of criteria to ensure excellence and to be maximally competitive at the international level. As of now, there are 30 HELLIS units, each with an annual budget of at least 1.5 million euros.
How can HELLIS contribute to the development of AI technology in Europe?
Europe is facing major barriers when it comes to retaining top talent in European institutions. Lack of competitive salaries, stiff environments that do not support a fluid relationship with industry, and the lack of critical mass due to a fragmented situation with separate islands of excellence. HELLIS wants to address these issues with the goal of having the best basic research performed in Europe, attracting top international industry research labs, and spawning startups that will become major players in the future. HELLIS wants to be a world-class venue to get trained in the field. In conjunction with universities, it will strive to retain the best graduates within HELLIS to groom them into the next generation of senior scientists. This means that Europe will be able to play a major role in the scientific and societal revolution that is underway. The first and second industrial revolution not only transformed technology, but also led to fundamental societal changes. These changes were managed by European democracy and values. The current revolution might be equally significant. Europe should benefit from it, and European values should help shape its impact.
Which is today the main challenge for AI?
One of artificial intelligence's main challenges is to be understandable, data efficient, and trustworthy. New AIs must be able to interact with the environment, with humans, and with other artificial intelligences. And they have to do so in the presence of scarce and uncertain information, while operating in a highly non-stationary environment. In order to assist human activities, and artificial intelligence should understand humans and be understood by them. These are complex goals, and they should be pursued by integrating all the available technologies, from data-driven approaches to knowledge-based approaches.